Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a double unboxing of Plastic Gen. This is the Magnum Core weight set, the 1 and 2. I already had the 2, this one, but I was missing this one, so I kind of ordered this and it's good price. The original price, 780 yen. That's like a few dollars. And also this is the Gyro Magic Layer. So yeah, you can do different tricks. This is the Takara one. Here's the back. This part right here, these two parts are the ones I mainly got for, but this was a bonus piece. So yeah, the driver and the tips and the base. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing first. And also, this is a little extra thing that I got. Actually, I bought him too, but I did get an extra Beyblade from this seller. Pretty good seller. So, another Dragoon F. So, yeah. I didn't get this one from this seller. I got these two. I got this one for free. I wasn't expecting this one to be here today. So, yeah. Also, I got in this is a competitive disc. This is something attack. Oh no, I'm getting that one too. But this, I had this guy as a kid. And also I'll be putting one of these two on here. Even though he has a regular. Yeah, let me show the other disc. It's actually pretty hard to get. I'm getting a lot that will be coming with these two and also the Star Attack. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And it's wide defense. Got this is another good seller. I'll be putting all these sellers in the description. I mean, the description box below. So yeah, this is going to be kind of like a weekly haul, but these are going to be a double unboxing. So yeah, let's go. Oh geez. It's Monday morning, so this came in late. Let's go. Still original sticker, and I'm going to try to keep the packaging in good shape. I'm going to do the Magnum Core layers on the disc, on the weight disc. Ooh. Okay. Get my big boy out. The instructions, okay, stickers. I actually really like this packages and boxes. Okay, I really wish in U.S. did this too, but they didn't. Okay, there we go. Here's the main one. And I will be doing actual stickers, so stay tuned for that. And also, I'll be doing stickers on camera, so. But not for the actual other bay, because that's going to take a little bit longer. And also, just to let you guys know, I'm watching the anime right now. An older anime that came out in 1986. If you guys don't know what it is so far. It is Dragon Ball, the original Dragon Ball. I remember watching the re-release of it. And the redub of it. I'm watching the English sub. I mean, Japanese, yeah, English subtitles, so. The original Dragon Ball, but with everything with the guns and everything like that, but just with subtitles. I'm basically watching this on Hulu. There's stickers. Okay, oh god. I'm gonna be doing, man, these guys are awesome. So, yep. Oh god. You'll be seeing a lot more Magnum core systems. So, yeah. Okay, let me put the stickers on. Old school stickers. And these are actually authentic Takara Tomy bays, too. Oh god. Okay, there we go. If you can't tell, I love using these tweezers with these. So you'll have to actually really be patient with these. Okay. Sorry if I'm not talking so much, but yeah. Boom. So let's go with the final one. Oh god. Sorry, that's my phone. Also, there is going to be a fun little thing, a part bay I'm going to get from my Metal Saga collection. That's actually from a YouTuber that I do a full video of this when I actually get it. So stay tuned for that. And also, I actually know he's maybe going to watch this. I'm not sure. But yeah, let's get. There we go. Magnum core. That's nice right there. Okay, and here's the instructions. I kind of already knew about this, so. The actual gimmicks of it. The stickers, how to play. Normal stuff for plastic gym. And here's the back. Let me put one of these guys. Oh god, oh god. Get back here. Oh god. Jeez. I'm gonna just put him right here. I actually personally had this one right here. I had this one as a kid. This is Dragoon V. Great edition. So let's get on to the main course of this video. Actually, the main reason I'm doing this video is because of this Beyblade. Gyro. Original stickers and everything. I mean, original, yeah. Let's do it. Oh, there's the seal. Broke the seal. That's probably going to trigger a lot of inbox collectors. I got, oh. Jeez, this thing was pretty, Oh yeah, oh, it's kind of yellowing. Wow. There he is. Oh, the sticker. There is the gyro disc. Actually, yeah, so I need to just take a look, put a closer look to it. So I'm going to take all this stuff out and then put on the stickers and then show you it all together. And I'll show you how to put it together. Because I think I had this one as a kid, too. But the Hasbro one. It's been years for me, so. And sort of, kind of has a little yellowing. let's get this parts out. Ripcord. If you guys can't tell, I'm not an inbox collector. Or I wouldn't be doing this. Oh god. I do actually keep the boxes though. Oh god. Oh wow, that thing was big. So yeah, gyro, the authentic gyro. And this one right here, this flare is actually pretty competitive. Okay, let's get this. Nope. And then here's the bottom. All the drivers to it. Look at these stickers. But yeah. So I'll be right back with you guys. So 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. This is actually a few days later since I did this video. But yeah, here it is. I couldn't figure it out. Yeah, but this is how it goes. Gyro layer. So let's go. This is how you do it. 3, 2, 1. You can't battle this, but it's good for tricks and everything like that. And okay. Let me do a little trick for you. I'm going to do this on my hand. Also, you can go left spin with it. I'm going to do right spin first. And let's go to the other side with left spin. That's right. No, yeah. Okay, nope. Now it's this side. There is the left spin right here. I know this is my HMS stadium. I just got done with the this is actually a few days later since I posted that and this video. I mean, did the last one. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh good. Where's gyro? Gyro. Okay. Hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.